In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you a very simple way of actually making patterns using ChatGPT and also using Canva AI. These particular patterns, they're gonna be transparent patterns. It's gonna be a very easy step-by-step method that you can use to generate actually beautiful patterns for your print-on-demand products or even for your own personal use. So I want to walk you through step-by-step a very simple way using my laptop there, and then we're gonna dive in. So while I was preparing to use my laptop, I realized that my laptop charger is not working, and I won't be able to finish using my laptop. So I wanted to make this short video using my telephone. Regardless, it's gonna give me the same thing. So the very first thing to actually make these beautiful patterns, you're gonna want to go to OpenAI. You're gonna type in Google OpenAI. If you don't have an account, please make sure that you are signing up. If you already have an account, just log in, and then once you log in, it's gonna actually ask you to enter your email, the email that you want to use. Okay, so once you have logged in, it's gonna bring you to this dashboard where you can have conversation with ChatGPT. And depending on the conversation that you want to have with ChatGPT, it's gonna be the same in terms of the result that you want to get, depending on what text you have actually given it. So I already done here some of the things I want to show you today, and we're gonna be just going through everything from the top to the bottom. So I wanted to actually do some patterns, and the very first thing I had to ask ChatGPT, what patterns can we use using like what products can we make using patterns? And then ChatGPT told me a lot of things. Okay, it gave me a lot of results here, like clothing. It says you can use patterns on clothing, you can use patterns on home decor. It says you can use on stationery, you can use on textiles. Pattern designs can be used to create a range of textile products, including towels, blankets, and rugs. It says you can use on packaging, you can also use on jewelry, you can use on accessories, you can use on art. Okay, and then I went ahead and asked ChatGPT to actually give me example of beautiful seamless patterns, and then it suggested here a lot of patterns here. Like we have floral pattern, we have geometric patterns, we have watercolor patterns, animal prints patterns, we have abstract patterns, we have striped patterns, we have polka dot patterns, we have parsley patterns. Now I want to try to actually take this to ask ChatGPT to give me the text that I'm gonna be using on my AI to generate some of these. Okay, so ChatGPT gave me the text that I should use, and I want to use one of these, and the one that I found it interesting or want to try is this polka dot pattern, this polka dot pattern. So what we're gonna do is actually just highlight this. Okay, we're gonna highlight what ChatGPT has given us, one of these patterns. Okay, like so, and then we're gonna copy, and then the next thing I want you to do is actually to come to Canva. I love using Canva because it is simple to use, and also it offers a lot in terms of designing. Okay, so once you are in Canva, you can see you have the freedom to do a lot of things. Even if you have a free version, I'm using a pro version because it gives me a lot in terms of license and also in terms of just designing. So the very first thing we want to do is actually to click. You're gonna click on the plus sign, and then you come here at the top here where it says custom size. Here I want you to you want to make sure that this sign where it says pixel, like this sign, I want to show you something. You must make sure that it is in px, which means pixel. And then here you're gonna actually put 5,000. I normally design 5,000 by 5,000. Okay, like so. And then you're gonna say create design. As you can see, it's gonna give you the bar or the dashboard to actually start creating. Here it is the workplace that we want to use. So what we want to do is actually do what? Come here at the top, at the bottom, sorry, and then click where it says apps. Okay, click here where it says apps. Okay, and then click there. Once you click on the apps, it's gonna give you the apps that you want to use. You can actually simply click here. You're gonna click here. We want to use text to image. This is the one that we want to use, and then you click there. So we're gonna actually paste our information that we got from ChatGPT. And remember, ChatGPT told us exactly what we should use, or it actually gave us idea what we should use. So it says create, this is what we are reading, create a seamless pattern design featuring polka dots with a colorful. It gives you option to put any color that you want. Maybe let's say we want to actually make maybe blue. Okay, we want maybe to take a color like blue, okay, or pink. Let's say pink. Okay, pink color. And then color scheme. The design should be playful or witty. It gives you option to choose which one do you want. I'm gonna actually delete some of the text, okay, some of the text, so that it can actually be only playful. Okay, and then suitable for use in clothing or home. We want to do this design as something maybe for, let's say, for clothing, or maybe let's say just for decor, because we're gonna be making some stuff using it, or maybe even for clothing. Let's see how it's gonna say, and then click generate. Okay, once you click generate, it's gonna start generating. Canva will start creating. See, all of this has been created even before we start. So you can see even this one is so beautiful. Okay, let's see another one. This is beautiful. Okay, let's see another one. If you don't want, you can still say create again, and then it's gonna create again. Okay, let's see what it's gonna create. Let's see what it's gonna create. Okay, let's see what it's gonna create. You can see it creating some beautiful colors, okay, or some beautiful patterns. So you can see some polka dot colors here. For instance, let's use this one. Okay, let's choose from this one. I want, maybe, which one do we think it is beautiful? I want to use this one. I'm gonna remain with this one. Okay, so you can see this one. Now, like I showed you guys the last time, there are many ways to actually make up this pattern beautiful or more beautiful for designing. You can simply drag it all the way to this corner, and then it's gonna give you the option to see. You can see it is in 4 layers or 4 squares, and then what you're gonna do is actually click there, duplicate, and then drag the other part. Okay, drag the other part or the other pattern to this size or to this size, okay, until it touches all the corners, and then do the same thing down here. Okay, do the same thing down here. Okay, and then do the same this side until you make a pattern. Okay, until you get a beautiful pattern like so. Okay, let me just see what we have done wrongly so that we can recreate it. Okay, we can simply do that, then we get that beautiful pattern. Okay, we get that beautiful pattern there. Okay, like so. So this is the pattern that we have made. We can download it and then use it. Now, because we don't want to do that, I was going to show you a transparent pattern. We want to make a transparent pattern using this design that ChatGPT has actually gave us the idea. So this background, it is white. We can change it to any color that we want. We can change it maybe, let's say, using the same thing, we can change it to blue. Or if we don't want blue, we can change it to this color. or simply let's change it to black so that you can see it better. So what you're gonna do is actually come to this design, click on it, and then come here down where it says effects on ChatGPT, on Canva, and then go here where it says background remover, click on that. Okay, and then as you can see, it will start actually doing what? It will start removing the background of this color. We don't want, for instance, if we don't want this pattern, maybe for some reason we don't want this one, we can simply come here and try to maybe let's see if we have, we can actually edit our text here, playful. Let's put, because I was editing and then it actually started, we can actually just leave it at playful like so. Let's see what it's gonna create this time around, just using the same prompt text that we have used, so that we can see. You can see it's still creating a lot of things. You can actually do like so and then start until you get what you want or the desired design that looks better. You can still get, look at these are so beautiful. Okay, these are so beautiful. Let's see this one. For instance, if we want to use this one and then we want to simply remove the background, you click on it and then come down here where it says effects, and then you click on it and then start removing the background. Okay, if we want, we can change the color of this white to some. There we have our design is here. We have created a design with a black background. You can use any color that you want. And then what we want to do finalize is actually to download here. Okay, just simply click here and then you're gonna download it in a transparent. Make sure that you are clicking on the transparent background so that we can use it on our stuff. Okay, and then make sure that it is in PNG and then click on download. It's gonna start downloading like so. Okay, our beautiful design that we have gotten. These patterns are very simple. As you can see, they are easy to make. You can use these patterns for either your personal use, you want to make your own stuff, or even make the patterns to actually to be used on print on demand stuff. What I'm talking about, you can make items maybe like let's say you want to make maybe bed covers, you want to make maybe curtains, you want to make maybe shower curtains, you want to make phone case covers, pillowcase covers, table mats or table covers, and a lot of stuff that you can actually use just using this simple method that I have shown you. Okay, and then once it has been downloaded, what we're gonna do is actually, if you have a print on demand platform, I normally use Printify. We want to try these that we have made that. Okay, we're gonna go to catalog here, up here, and then maybe we want to design, let's say, accessories or home living. We want to make, maybe, let's say what we want to make. Maybe we want to make let's say pillows. Okay, maybe we want to make a pillow cover using the design that we have made. You're gonna scroll down like so and choose whichever you want to make. Okay, depending on yourself, and then just see which one do you want to make. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, this one, and then click on it like so. And then once I click on it, I'll say start creating. Click on start creating. Okay, and then this is where we need to put our design. Okay, so we're gonna click on add our design like so. Okay, just because it is on my device, this is the design that we got. Okay, I'm gonna bring it here, and then as you can see, it has started actually doing what? Uploading, or uploading on Printify the design that we have made. Okay, let's see how it's gonna look like. And there we have our design is here. We can do a preview of what we have made by clicking preview. If we do a preview, it's gonna bring us to this place whereby it's actually showing us exactly what we have made. This is the design that we have made. Okay, as you can see, it's so beautiful. If we click on the context, you can see how beautiful it is, and we can go ahead and start selling our product. Let's just see. This is the design that we have made. It's so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Depending on where or which one do you want to use, you can actually do so. So if you are finding value in my videos and you want me to share more what I have learned so that we can learn together and grow together, let me know in the comment section. And also do me one favor, like this video so that it can be shared to many people, so that people can actually benefit this just for free. And also, if you're liking my channel, you like my content, you can do me one favor, subscribe to my channel, and let's keep on learning together. If you have enjoyed this video up to now, I want to say thank you so much for those who have stayed, and I'll see you next in my next video. Otherwise, for now, it is a bye. Bye.